In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the photos from Google Photos without deleting it from your phone. So you might have noticed that when you take the picture, let's say that I take a picture now of my AirPod. And if we check our camera, here is the photo that we have recently taken. So if we check the Google Photos right now, here is the backup of it. But if we try to delete it from here, you will immediately notice that it is also removed from the camera application from your phone. So we don't want that. So what we will do is a quick solution. It's a very simple one. You go to the browser, any of your favorite browser, and just write photos.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the same ID where you are taking the backup of your phone photos to the Google Photos. So just sign in with that ID and head over to the photos.com. So if you're not logged in with the same ID, you just head over to the 3 lines and you hit the profile icon at the top, and from here you switch to your photos. So now let's try it again. I'll take the photo of my AirPod again, and if we just go to the browser, we'll see this backup right here. So we open this up from the browser and then press the trash can icon. Let me just show you it in the gallery as well. Here is the photo that we have taken today. So now I'll delete it from the browser in the photos.google.com, move to trash, and if I access my gallery now, you will see that it is still here in my camera gallery in my phone. So that's how we do it. That's a simple solution for it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.